Students need to learn technology in a meaningful way in order to be literate. Teachers should take advantage of technology and what it has to offer students in the classroom. Technology can motivate students and help them visualize mathematics. They can work on more complex tasks that have real-world applications. Technology also moves from reproducing to discovering and exploring. This allows for higher quality work and learning becomes fun, though the technology implementation must be well thought out and planned. Judy Harris from the University of Texas says a teacher should ask themselves two questions before allowing students to use the internet. Will it allow students to do something they could not have done before? 2, will it allow students to do something they could have done before but in a better way? The authors of this article believe this applies to all technology and will be effective when planning activities. The author identify purposes for using technology are engage students in discovery and exploration, promote higher level thinking, improve students' visualization, enable students to engage in real life applications of mathematics, prepare students for the demands of this century, and make mathematics engaging and more fun. The authors also suggest various types of technology such as dynamic geometry software, spreadsheets, scientific calculators, graphing calculator simulators, PowerPoint presentations, and digital cameras to capture students' work. It is up to the teacher to determine which type of technology fits the goal and the content for the lesson. For geometry, a teacher could allow the students to use Geometry Sketchpad. They can use this to explore the rule of interior angles of a polygon rule. The authors talk about how teachers can show students how to use a calculator, why it is important to use them effectively. The article talks about a relay race where the students are split into calculator versus non-calculator. The teacher displays a problem in the calculator. Solves using the calculator and the non-calculator person solves by hand. The students keep score based on who finishes first each time, which leads to discussion about when a calculator may be useful. The students realized they could solve the problems quicker without the calculator, which led to less and less reliance on the calculators. Technology in real-life context allows students to develop understanding and making meaningful connections between different math concepts. This allows students to collect data and present it in graphs, bar and line, and must use calculator to interpret the data. Technology and mathematics allow students to produce high-quality work and see the relevance to math in their life. This will be useful in my classroom one day because this gives good programs and ways they can be used in the classroom. Even though a program like Geometry Sketchpad may not be a feasible reality, there are still ways to find implementations into the classroom for the students. Though pen and paper and note-taking are necessary, I feel like there are plenty of days to find a way for technology to reinforce a concept after those days. And then there will be some concepts the students can discover for themselves, which is huge in the area of mathematics, since discovering allows them to make connections.